Pakasarap naman ang pagkain ko ngayon. Alam nyo ba kung sino nag-prepare niyan sa akin? Chef Boylong, crew pasok. Taray, naka-outfit, Chef Yarn. Yan pala si Nala, little sister ko. Kaya na nga, nag-ihiwa na ng gulay. At nakukulaan na yan ni Chef. Now, of course, featuring Petmara products. Ang nagustuhan ko kasi kay Petmara, it's made with real meat. No artificial contents, no preservatives, and it supports developmental needs. Kompleto nga sila from kibbles, wet food, treats, dentist sticks, wild salmon oil, juice, name it. Oh, nagbumekos-mekos na pala si Chef. Ayan, ready na.
Good job.
Kainan na. Huwag ka, may pa-ASMR pa ako dyan. Ito lang masasabi ko, it's indeed a nutrition for a lifetime with Petmara.